Jagoro mong'ere Migao mar somo Julius Bitok osingo ni omenda mar somo biro chopo ne skunde duto mag piny owacho kapok juma ni orumo. Ma biro bang' riwruoge mag jopuonj nyiso luor odiochieng' manyoro ni kamoro somo ok nyal bedo kaluwore ni skunde onge kod omenda ma tayo somo. Skunde iyawo kawuono kata bed ni piny owacho pok oro omenda mag somo e tam mar achiel kod mar ariyo. Skunde ne ywak ni ne ok oro omenda duto mag somo ne japuonjre ka japuonjre kaka owinjo or.
The government has put in mechanisms and measures to ensure that free primary and free day secondary is supported to the later. I want to say the policy is in place and it's intact, and we have already engaged the National Treasury, and we are expecting that before the end of the week, money for capitation will have been sent to our schools. We had a meeting last week with the officials from National Treasury, led by the Minister himself and the peers, and we agreed that the top priority for the government of Kenya this week is to release capitation to our 45,000 schools around the country. And I want to assure the country that we have put in measures, we have met the exchequer requests, and we are expecting that in the next few days, money will be in our school.